So hi guys, welcome back to the channel everyone, and today we are doing something good and I'm gonna show you what we are planning for. And this is what we are planning for. This is the actual stock BMW G310r and we are gonna painting it gold. I think it's gonna look cool, but I think the gold has to be little bit lighter. Let's go and get it done. Let's go.
Right now I'm going to the garage in order to get the wheels removed so that we can give the alloys to the paint.
Got the wheels detached and the tire removed there, so we were left with the alloys now. And now the big question was where we have to get it painted. So based on one of my friend's recommendation, we inquired at the First Choice, which is actually a car service center, and they gave an estimated price around 7,500. Literally 7,500. So if we put 2,500 extra, we could have got a spare alloys for a BMW G310r. So we cancelled that, and later we brushed up our contacts and we found a shop where we can get our alloys painted at a perfect budget of 3,000 rupees. And now the thing was getting the paint. Actually, I wanted a paint color of the alloy such that it should not overlook the color of the upside down forks of BMW G310r. So I want to keep it lighter so that the golden USD forks pop out from it. What we actually did was we took around 60% of gold color and mixed it with the 40% of silver color, so we would get a perfect like a light gold color. And from there my friend took it and get it painted and get it fitted, and this is how the bike looks now.
Can you whisper so far away? I can hide, but I'll try. I see the walls are caving in, but I'm not ready to fly. If I were to stay in here forever, I would want.
By the way, the bike looks fantastic with the golden alloys. So let's take it, get it on the road, and let's see how that it looks while it's rolling.
Signals through the silence into the horizon. Elevate.
Those shots, and it costed us around 3,500 to 3,800 rupees in order to get those alloys painted, fitting, everything. I've received something a few days back. So this is the back case for my mobile. So I don't remember the name of the guy who sent it, but thanks a lot. And I think he has dropped his mobile number, I guess. So whatever information available I will put in the description box below. So if you want, you can have it. So let's put this on. Yeah, it looks cool, I guess. Yeah. Okay. By the way, this picture is clicked by my brother. And if you are following me on Instagram, you would be knowing which picture this is. And if you are not following me on Instagram, so you can follow me at the Hassan Roadsters, and you won't be bored there because my brother does his automotive photography there. Let me know how does the bike looks now in the comment section below, and if you have watched the video till now, don't forget to give this video a like, and if you are new to this channel, hit the red subscribe button, and as always, be smart, be safe, ride hard, bye bye.